What's up, my lovely bobbies? Kavin is back from Delhi. How was your exam?
Not great, bro.
The examiner screwed him over. He got a very tough examiner.
Yeah, I mean, good. It should be like that. It's just annoying that some people get lenient examiners, but I don't know. I might still pass.
So he's back to Bangalore and he has somehow convinced me to come for Calvin. Guys, they booked my tickets. They booked my tickets and didn't even tell me. So I guess now I need to go shopping for Calvin. Who's calling? Ah, look, the legend. Sisya, say hi to the vlog. Well done. Are you free? Come to Phoenix. We're going shopping for me.
No, full headache, bro.
Full headache, it seems. Fine, don't come to Calvin tomorrow.
You are not supposed to come.
So we just spoke to Nishok. Looks like he has a headache. He's not joining us for shopping. So it's just Kavin and I. And if you're wondering how did Kavin come back so early, it's because he took a 2 a.m. flight. And then night again he took a 2 a.m. flight. 24 hours in Delhi.
Yeah, guys. I don't. I mean, Delhi is fine and all, but I mean, you're in Bangalore for limited time, so.
He doesn't want to stay too long in Delhi. I mean, if I were in his position, I would have stayed at least 2-3 nights. I would have explored Delhi, eaten some food, met up with some friends.
I have no friends in Delhi, bro.
In that case, we're done with our meal. By the way, this was our post-workout meal. We went to the gym together. If you're following me on Instagram, you must have seen Kavin was spotting me on bench press. Now, let's go to Phoenix. I'm thinking let's try Zara Men.
Oh, Zara men?
Yeah.
I thought women, bro.
We'll go to Zara Men's to try out some clothes. Now, before we leave, I'm giving Kavin a spoonful of honey. I got this new honey from the Indian beekeepers. It's a really nice product. Oh my god, too much. Nice, no?
Oh my god, how would you just raw dog that, bro?
Bro, you can just down honey.
You can, bro.
I can. Bobbies, we out here at Phoenix and they got some weird K-pop shit. That's what comes to your mind, right?
Security is just like, what the fuck?
Security, we should have told security. We are getting an eye.
Oh my god.
But what is this? What even is this?
Bro, it's like some toy, I think, bro. Must be, see.
Interesting. Will they allow us inside?
I think we won't be allowed.
Yeah, we won't be allowed. We out here at Zara Men's. Do your thing, bro. Find me a t-shirt, cut off, top,
Okay.
whatever.
So, what are we looking for, sir, here today?
We're looking for something which is Calvin appropriate. Something that big man would pull up in.
Sure, sir, sure.
Bobbies, we found one banyan for 1,300 rupees.
Let's go to Ramraj, bro. We'll get.
I have an insane idea. Should we go to H&M and pick up that golden blazer?
Bro, please no, bro. Please, you can't come with us then if you're wearing that. You go with someone else.
Oh, I would love to pull up in that.
Flashback.
Yo, Bobbies, I'm inclined towards purchasing this. I look like some Japanese Yakuza boss, don't I, Kavin?
Yeah. If you wear that golden blazer, Shefali only will ditch you, bro.
Shefali will ditch me. Then she's not the real one, bro.
We are the real ones for telling you not to wear that blazer, bro. Please.
Okay, are we looking at a shirt? No. I like this.
This collection is good.
Looks like Zudio though, right?
At this point, Zudio looks like Zara, bro.
I'll tell you why I can't go to Zudio.
Uh,
Length problem.
everything.
All their clothes end here. Like my balls are dangling.
The shirts I bought that day are like, for me it's long.
For
it'll
you
be
it's
correct.
fine. For me it's really not. Bro, we struggling out here. We've not found anything so far. Bro, I mean, is it really a concert?
Formal, bro.
Okay guys, one last skim through. Let's see if there's something that I can buy. Otherwise, we go to a different shop.
This is correct for you, bro,
Sure?
but size small.
Oh, this looks kind of cool, bro. This would be
size?
nice, but they don't have my size in it. Guys, I found something which is Calvin appropriate. But what does it say?
Black
Black
light moonlights. Black light moonfalls.
Moonfalls gives me a different meaning in my head, bro. Okay.
Correct, no?
Yeah, how's it looking?
I think it's good, bro. With some black jeans.
Calvin appropriate.
I mean, I wouldn't wear it, but considering your taste,
My taste. You think this is my taste?
No, but you want cut off and you want that concert, this thing. This is good.
Okay, imagine me. When I met you in the summer. Does it feel like it?
Yeah, bro. Bro, summer, bro, yellow color.
Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. We'll check with Shefali once.
She's gonna
If she-
say no. Any girl will say no to this, bro. This is something a man buys as a man, bro. If I ask my girlfriend, you ask your girlfriend, they're gonna say no.
So this is something a man buys as a man.
Yeah. This is something I would buy or you would buy without consultation
Without asking a girl.
and then deal with the consequences. That's what this is for.
We'll ask Nishok. If Nishok says yes, we'll buy. Guys, you won't believe it. I sent Shefali a picture of this outfit and she approved it. What did you say? Girls wouldn't approve.
Bro, and she's approving means, bro, if not now, then when will you buy?
Let's go for it.
I think you should do it, bro.
Let's do it, guys.
If anyone can pull it off, you can.
Yeah, only I can pull it off. Plus, influencers wear wax shit all the time anyways.
Bro, you need that, demeanor to pull off this color. Like one guy like me, I'll just look like an idiot, but you can do it, bro.
I'm an idiot anyways. Retard maxing. My first pair of clothing from Zara.
This is the first thing you own from Zara.
This is the first thing that I've bought from Zara. Bro, we saw it and we were making fun of it. Right? Kavin said it's something that a guy would buy, but a girl would never approve. And then Shefali approved of it. So it was very clear. If not now, when would you wear it?
Bro, it's that kind of thing that you can just like pull off, bro. Like I would have considered buying it. It's like a very out of the ordinary thing, but it's very doable also. Especially
But
for
your
this.
girlfriend Mehak would not allow, right?
I feel like if I styled it well, she would agree, bro.
Yeah, I saw how the Zara model has styled it. He wore a bandana. He tucked it into his underwear. His underwear was seen. That was a little too much, I feel. Yeah, that's a bit much. But Kavin says he'll give me some accessories to wear with this.
Bro, what's your waist size now?
My waist size now is 32. I think I'll cut down to 30.
I have one blue pants which might complement this, which will fit you. That waist size is big,
Okay.
but we'll see.
Okay, we'll see. Should we leave or should we just put one walk? We'll get some steps. Hey, we'll go Sephora. If I'm wearing this thing, I might as well do some yellow makeup.
Now you're pushing it, bro.
By the way, this Coco Cart has some insanely good chocolates.
It's like all imported, no?
All imported. This Rhine Valley is their homegrown brand. And they usually do buy two get one free. I bought for Diwali. Good stuff. Bro, don't pee on my top.
Okay, bro. It's yellow already. No harm done, bro.
Guys, Kavin and I just spotted our childhood crush, Jennifer Lawrence.
Yeah, bro. Very talented, very pretty, very everything, bro.
Who's calling?
Adit. Hello?
Adil is calling us for dinner.
Then what, should we come to Indanagar? No, I won't eat dinner outside. I have food at home. Mohit also same. Oh no,
No, Mohit needs half a
Mohit
meal.
needs some food.
One meal, he needs protein.
Yeah. Palette or Indanagar Club?
Oh, Indranagar Club?
But
No,
I'm
we are not
eating
dressed.
today. Plus I'm not dressed. Palette only.
Palette or
Okay.
Alishan? Palette or Alishan?
Look, Palette or Alishan, what do you feel like?
Either is fine. Bro, it looks like we're going to Indranagar to meet up with Adit. He wants to hang out for a bit. He's not coming for Calvin tomorrow. Reason
Oh, yeah,
being,
I forgot he's-
reason being he has his fight on Saturday.
He was saying his trainer was telling him not to train, bro. Train too much.
He's trained too much, so he's just gonna chill.
Yeah.
He's taking a swim right now, and once he's done, we will go for like a small meal. Even I am a little short on protein today. I don't have enough chicken. I fucked up my meal prep proportions.
Yeah, because he gave me food.
Yeah, I gave him food when he came home, so I will need about 40-50 grams of protein now. We taking the metro, Bobbies. Not driving to Indranagar for a change. If you have to drive between 5 to 8 p.m. from Whitefield to Indranagar, you're cooked.
Just don't.
Bobbies, we've reached Indranagar. We are near Indranagar Club because Adit has gone for a swim there. So once he's done, he'll come out and we have to decide where to go for dinner number one. I actually might do only one dinner today, bro. I'll do one big meal.
Finish outside only.
Yeah. Clean though, like plain white rice and chicken tikka.
Fair. I have such good food at home. Don't want to simply spend money today.
Guys, should I just go to Kavin's house and eat for free?
You can, bro. I have to cook it once we go home.
I don't mind, but the problem is getting back from Kavin's house.
Oh yeah. Going that too. My car is there, so
Yeah, I can go in his car, but to come back,
Come
I'll have to
back.
pay 400 for a cab.
see, guys. Mohit and all only cab he wants to take.
Hey, Rapido and all, full dust goes in mouth, bro.
80-90 rupees means I'll take the dust, bro.
I hope Adit doesn't take the dust in his fight.
Hey.
Guess who pulled up, guys? What's up, boys? Mr. Shady made us wait for 30 minutes while he was swimming.
It wasn't 30, it was like 20, like 15 minutes.
Kavin, tell us the truth.
Bro, we reached at 8 o'clock. What's the time now? 8:21. Yeah, bro, 15 minutes.
15
He's been here
minutes.
for 5 minutes. Actually, it's been 15.
And I told Kavin, bro, I might be 5 minutes late, 8:05. So realistically,
10
10
minutes.
minutes.
Okay, now tell.
It's
Do you want
acceptable, bro, by Bangalore standards. It's acceptable by Bangalore standards. Bro. I've realized like other people, like cities and other people don't fuck with this, bro. Like I'll show up like 5 minutes late, 10 minutes late. And they're like, bro, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? But it's like pretty accepted here, no?
In Bangalore, everyone is fashionably late.
Not me, bro.
Kavin is not. Yes.
BST. Bangalore standard time.
Bangalore Standard Time BST. Okay, now tell, bro. Are we going Aladdin or Palette?
So let's go Palette, no?
Okay, guys, we're going to Palette after a long time.
I want some carbs also. So we'll get some tandoori rotis.
I was talking to the vlog that your fight is coming up. Everybody give good wishes.
Thank you.
What's up, gang?
Bobbies, we out here at Palette. Say hi to Top G. I never get it. Can you guys get it?
You gotta look at the
See, they always. You think we'll get it?
Dude, your hand is too big, bro.
My hand is not big. I just suck at it.
This guy doesn't know how to give a dab. He tries to like catch your hand, bro.
Fine, bro. Let's do once.
How do you clap?
Like that. Okay. Oh. Kavin's a good teacher, guys.
I know.
So yes, we are at Palette. We've ordered tandoori chicken, chicken tikka and some tandoori roti. I'm gonna keep it clean. I'm doing just chicken today. You?
Chicken and rice. No, chicken and chapati. No, chicken and tandoori roti.
Make up your mind, dog. Make up your mind. Alright, bro, let's try the tandoori chicken here at Palette. It's very hit or miss. If it's a hit, it's the best. Otherwise, it's terrible.
If it doesn't hit today, I'm sending it back. It's good, but spicy.
Not good.
Yeah, you can have, bro.
One piece.
Yeah, this is half tandoori. We're getting another half.
I'll just try, just to try. I'll take.
Done with Palette Bobbies. The boys and I are now gonna fuck around. That's what Hari says. Hari loves fucking around, bro. Kavin's driving Adit's car. Come. Right? Yo, Adit, what is it like being in the rear seat of your own car?
Bro, it's an unfamiliar experience, but since Kavin's driving, I know I'm in safe hands.
Yeah, we all trust Kavin's driving. So how often do you sit in the back seat?
Never, bro. Very rarely. Last time Nishok was driving, this time Kavin's driving.
Nishok was driving. What do you say?
Bro, Ari, you were driving? No, Ninad was driving, bro.
Ninad. Do you guys know Ninad?
was driving.
It's been a while since Ninad came on the vlog. He's in Pune.
Wait, Nishok, I've never seen him drive. He can drive, bro.
Nishok can't drive.
Nishok can't drive for shit.
Bro, he's got a nice Skoda also, bro.
He's got a beautiful Skoda.
You're driven as Octavia?
Bobbies, we out here at Shell petrol bunk playing catch. He's gonna leave it. Oh, he caught it. Not bad. Oh, even I caught it. Shell has stocked up on Diet Coke. They've literally locked it up. People will steal. Bobbies, we've now come to Top G's house because Adit wants to check out Top G's new car.
Wait, showing us, he's showing us.
He's showing you what?
We're doing a show, we're doing a show.
The disco, right? Yeah. It does one heavy light show. Duda, hurry. First, he has to figure out how to do, bro. All this no showy
It's all
features.
fucking like, we'll do it one time and then never again.
To justify that 30 lakh price tag, you have to give all these Shata features, no? My Quid also has, bro, disco lights.
Actually,
Yeah.
I also have, I'll show you after this.
You actually do. We're leaving. Kavin and I are going back to Whitefield. Let's go.